Hey guys, welcome to ISAIAHS Reviews, and today I'll be reviewing the ONVO AJ-81 Bluetooth speaker. It's 4.0 version Bluetooth in this thing, and it also has 1,000 milliamp per hour battery, which you'll get about 4 to 5 hours on it, depending on your volume level. And you can see some of the speakers in there. There's two of them in there behind that screen, and of course it's ONVO branded in the front. Which is a nice touch, I guess, to the aesthetics of it. But it's really lightweight feeling. You can see the passive bass ports on the bottom. So you're not going to get a really big, heavy amount of bass in this, but it's a good flat tone that I personally don't mind. But if you're wanting super bass, go somewhere else. But for 20 bucks, I mean, come on. You got a power port, you got an auxiliary port, and you also got on-off switch in the back, and there's your touchscreen stuff on the top. Plus minus volume, skip, play, pause, and then the speaker with a mic port hole right up here to the left of the minus sign, which does a decent job. I mean, if you're going to buy it for a microphone, I guess it would work okay. I mean, I'll buy it for listening to music, whatever. It's got good rubber grips on the bottom. You can see the labeling there underneath if you want to see some of the input voltage and stuff like that for charging, if you want to know that stuff. But you can just set it down someplace, and it really doesn't move through the music, which is nice because those rubber pads really do make a big difference. And here you do get a charging cable in there and your auxiliary cable if you've got some kind of MP3 player that's not Bluetooth. Here is the manual itself. I'm going to run this across the screen, so feel free to pause that in case you need it, if you've lost yours or something like that, and you run across this video. There's your instruction manual. What more can you say? It's an instruction manual. But yeah, you just stick it back here to charge it. It's just like any device that you probably used in the past. You get a little light that comes on the back and the front there, and then it'll blink trying to pair up with your device. Now let's talk about pairing this thing up. Okay, you can use NFC if you want, where you just turn on the NFC through your phone and then just touch the top of it. It'll pair up that way, or you can just do the old-fashioned scan for it. It'll show up, and then you just select it, and then you're paired. You'll get the notification from that. So let's listen to some of the audio from this thing and see how it sounds. I'm going to toggle it through different volumes. I've got the speaker full blast, and then I'm just controlling it from the phone. So this has been the ONVO speaker. I mean, it's nice. It's good for a small room, the medium size. It's good for background in a large room. It's really good for the bathroom, I'd say, something like that. For the price, though, I don't think you can go wrong. It distorts at full volume, so I wish it didn't do that. I'd ding it for that. They should cut it off around the 80% volume so you don't blow the speaker on your own. But other than that, it's great for the money. I think it's a win.